This video is intended for people outside of IT services who have been added to a project team for increased engagement on a particular project. All students, faculty, and staff may view the basic information for all active IT projects. For an overview of that functionality, please watch our video titled Overview of IT Projects in the Client Portal. Here, I have signed into the IT at Miami client portal and am viewing a project where I have been added to the project team. Whereas other faculty, staff, and students can only see the information on the Details menu, I see additional menu options: the Feed, Announcements, Issues, Links, and Plans. When I select the Feed, I can see a history of updates made by the project manager or other team members. I can filter that history based on these selections here. I can add comments to existing comments. Or I can create a new thread. When I create a new thread, I may select from among the project team members and sponsor who should receive an email notification about this comment. These feed comments are most useful when sharing something with everyone who would benefit from hearing that information between team meetings. The Announcement menu allows me to view announcements or to create new ones. I provide a title, a body, an expiration date, attachments if I choose, and I may elect to notify my team members by email about this announcement. Announcements like the one that I just created, whose expiration date has passed, no longer appear in this view. This functionality is especially useful when sharing information that has no useful purpose after the expiration date, such as team meeting reminders or changes in meeting locations. The Issues menu allows me to view a list of issues that are being tracked against the project. Issues are typically used for disruptive barriers that, if not resolved, will cause the project to fail. They are also used to seek sign-offs for changes to project scope, timeline, or resources. Clicking on the issue name gives some additional details, including a feed of the activity regarding this specific issue. Here, I may update the issue's status, send email notifications to my team about this issue. I may also comment on an existing comment in the feed. I may add an attachment. I may add alerts, which allow me to receive email when a certain condition is met, such as the issue becomes overdue. The Links menu allows me to view or create links to other websites or materials relevant to this project. This project has a link to a Google Sheet that contains the details of the project's communication plan. I may click the View link to open that Google Sheet and work on it from there. Other common examples include having a Google folder. We'll click the View here. That contains meeting minutes and other working documents. Also, many projects may have a link to a Jira project where user stories are being managed. The last menu, the Plan, contains information about the specific timeline and project tasks and assignments for this project. Today, IT projects have 4 stages: initiate, plan, build, test, and deploy, and close. The specifics of each stage vary from project to project, but require sign-off from the sponsor to proceed. Doing so ensures that the team is in the best position to meet the expectations of that project sponsor, given the scope, timeline, and resources assigned to the project. The stages are indicated by the project milestones contained within the project plan. Let's look at that now. I click the plan name to open the plan details. The Details menu shows me summary information about this project plan. The List menu shows me the plan details in list format. Here you see the 4 stages. I can expand a stage by clicking on the triangle just to the left of the title. For details on a particular task, I may click the task title. Like issues, I may comment on this particular task, see who is assigned to it, or add an alert to be sent an email under certain conditions, such as when the task has been finished. When finished, I may close the tasks window. Some tasks may have dependencies on other tasks. Those dependencies will be represented in the task details as predecessors or child tasks. I may click within a task to bring up the details of another task, and it replaces the task in the same window. The information contained in this system provides a single source of truth to ensure transparency and visibility into the active IT project portfolio so that you can be informed and engaged in successful outcomes of IT projects.